taking you to another adventure. Welcome back to part 2 of our Where to Eat in Malico. This place is just beside our hotel, the Gerama Cafe and Restaurant in Malico, just opened this year, perhaps, and is owned by the cooperative here in Malico. Aside from selling merienda, lunch, and dinner, they also sell souvenir food or pasalubong and local produce. The place is nicely decorated with wooden aesthetics, and there's even a wooden soup right there. And they have a wide range of menu that you can order from. They also have various drinks, fresh lemonade, and a view of the wonderful mountains of Manico. They have outdoor seating right here and indoor seating if it's raining outside. I really love how they set up the place and the ambience. They serve really aesthetically good matcha. I love it. And look at the sunset from there. We saw a guitar right there, so that's my friends playing the guitar and singing in the background. We serve an all-day breakfast, so we ordered the Tapa, and we also ordered their sisig, which is really good. I highly recommend this. If you're there, you must try their sisig. Their four-cheese pizza, that's Filipino pizza, Filipino crust, a carbonara, and their chicken wings, buffalo style. And we also ordered coffee and juice, I guess. Stay tuned because there is one more place that I want to show you. Till next time, bye!